Welcome to day 3 of the LinkedIn Funnel Bootcamp. Things are getting excited. In today's bootcamp, in day 3, we're going to learn about video challenges, like 5-day video challenges, 30-day video challenges. This is what you should be including in your marketing mix right now because they absolutely work. If you want to, sell something like in a week's time or in 30 days time, you want to watch this one. This is really cool for that. We've taken this funnel out, really powerful funnel where you actually get to engage with your prospects. They really get to know you before that. So I'm going to take you there in a minute. But if you have not watched the previous videos, make sure you go back the link. You can see the link below this video. Go watch those videos because you're just going to learn a lot. Yesterday, some of you guys were telling me that yesterday's video was awesome. I actually don't know which ones are really, really awesome, but you guys told me yesterday's videos were awesome. So if you haven't watched that, go back and watch that video because you're going to learn a lot from that funnel. It's actually taken from the advanced funnel. But today, you are going to be learning about challenges, and also we're going to be talking about how to tell why you need to present your story to your prospects really early on. So I'm going to take you to the whiteboard right now, and I'll see you soon. Welcome to the whiteboard. Okay, now in this, we're going to look at 2 different funnels. Let's focus first on the top funnel. Okay, let's focus first on the top funnel. Now, the top funnel is what I call a 5-day challenge. Okay, this happens after your engagement. Okay, so if you look at the first box, I say 1 month engagement. So you've gone 1 month of engagement even before you start this 5-day challenge. Now, the goal of this 5-day challenge is at the end, you want to make an offer. You want to take someone off LinkedIn to your website or something. You either make an offer or you're taking them off the website to take their name and email address so that they're in your database, or you're actually making a sale. But the key to this 5-day working is that first month, there's a 1 month of engagement before you even do anything. So you're only focused right now at the top funnel, that linear 5-day funnel. It's very simple, but make sure that 1 month engagement is done first. Again, we've already spoken to you about the type of engagement, okay? So the engagement is done, okay? 1 week before the challenge, you make that announcement that, hey, guys, I'm gonna start a 5-day challenge next week. Be ready for it. Now, depending on what your niche is, I don't know what your 5-day challenge is going to be. Let me give you an example. As part of the Linkedtify Funnel Program, I did a 30-day challenge with my crew. Now, every day someone's going to do something to attract a client on LinkedIn. So I give them a task, a simple task, something that's doable every single day. I give them that. That's part of the Linkedtify Funnel Program. So that's for 30 days. I'm giving you an example of 5 days, something in your niche. You give a challenge, something doable, something fun. Make it fun, make it presentable, make it fun, that they get to do something every day. At the end of the 5th day, you take them to your website. You either sell something or you're taking them into your database. Okay, you're doing that both anyway. But again, the key is 1 month engagement's done even before you start the challenge. These challenges are a great marketing strategy and really works. It gets people seeing what you're doing. You can communicate with them every day. Now, this can take in the form of video or it can take a form of text. However you want to communicate it. Normally I do mine with video, okay? But you can actually, although I've got video 1, video 2, video 3 to 5, you can actually just put text if you're uncomfortable with video at this stage. But I would highly recommend video. Video really works with LinkedIn right now, okay? But if you're uncomfortable and you want, look, I have a 5-day challenge that I want to implement, do this, okay? Make that announcement a week before. Okay, so that's the first funnel. As you can see there, 5 days, and then to your website, you're selling something or you're giving something away because you're trying to take people away from LinkedIn into your database. That's how to drive a lot of traffic to your website, by the way. That's the first funnel. The second funnel, I wanted to explain the second funnel is it's a way to really, when you connect with someone, the first time you meet, this is a really good way for them to really get to know you. Okay, so if you look at the board, you've registered on LinkedIn, you've connected. Okay, this is your messaging service. This is where you actually directly message all your first connections. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to message them and actually send them to LinkedIn Publishing. Okay, so thank you for connecting with me. If you want to know more about me, hey, go check out my story. And then when they click on the link, they remain on LinkedIn, but they're on the LinkedIn Publishing. But there, you're going to tell your backstory. You're really going to introduce yourself, as in your personality, your struggles, your successes, what you can do, the shebang. You may even send them a link to your video, a video of you talking. You may send them to your website as well. But it's going to be a long form introduction of yourself. This is a great way so that when you're connecting with so many different people here, they absolutely get to know you. Even before the engagement, they really get to know about your background, what you do. You send them to a link on a video. This is a very powerful way of getting to know. I would love you to be able to experiment with that. Normally I have another strategy where I say, wait a couple of weeks before you even show them that. But I would want you to test this out, okay? Now, just check out this. I've got a green, and then there's a hole in between those two. These are LinkedIn statuses. Now, what is this? If you're messaging and you see this green, it means someone's available and active on LinkedIn right now, okay? So they are engaged. You know, if you message them, they're likely are going to see your message. Now, this one means they're on a mobile. Okay, so again, this is another way. These indicators are a way of knowing someone's online straight away or someone's on a mobile phone. Okay, so if they're on a mobile phone, you may want to send a short message so that they can pick it up very quickly. They may want to respond with the automated messenger on LinkedIn. So these are a great way to basically introduce yourself and just know who is active right now. Because the ones without the zeros are not active, actually. If you don't see this, or this, it means the person they're not online. So why not send messages to only the active people on LinkedIn? Okay, so I'm going to do a separate video on that, actually. But if you think about it, if you're only messaging the people on mobile, these are the guys that are currently active, and you can absolutely, the response rate is better. They comment back on your videos. They comment back on your status updates and everything else. So that's the two funnels I've got for you today. If you want to know more about this, we've got more bootcamp videos like this where I teach you real strategies. Check on the Linkedtify Funnel Program. The price we've got it at the moment is going to go up. But people are loving that program because we really go into things like this. We show you on the screen. We show you what these types of pages absolutely look like. So I'll see you in the next one.